Hey friends, I welcome all of you in the Usitility channel. Are you an active player of State of Survival and would you like to play this game on big screen? In this video you will definitely find out about playing State of Survival on PC. No need to stick the eyes on tiny screen, but it is the time to try out State of Survival on PC. I will set up this game in my laptop to show you all the basic steps. Let us simply begin. To start with, open up any web browser, for example Google Chrome, and you have to click on the link given in video description. You will see this URL. This is actually the website link of this game in BlueStacks. Install State of Survival on your PC using BlueStacks. It is an Android emulator, which emulates tablets or even Android mobile phone devices, and we can use a keyboard and mouse, use a big screen, etc. Click the button, Download State of Survival for PC. To download State of Survival, here you go, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. Then we click this file to open it. If you are asked for permissions, then only accept to proceed. Minimize the internet browser so that you can look at installation settings. Now I am gonna configure the directory for installing the game. When we head over to Customize Installation, we can choose the directory. After that, click here on Back and press Install Now. It will just take a few MBs from the memory of your laptop to download this file. The downloading relies on the net speed. Installing the emulator will begin instantly. Installation has ended now and we're gonna carry on. Do not forget that the computer will take some time to make configuration settings for BlueStacks and to start it, but next time, it is going to launch immediately. This step is really important. Here is an option for Google Play, sign in. You need to just click here. When you will press it, you'll be required to type in the info to get access to Google Play. It is essential to sign in to install the game. We will enter in the email as well as password of our Google account, and that's all. We have now logged into it, and it welcomes us. We will need to accept the terms. We click on I agree. If you want to make the backup of your system in the cloud, then click on yes, otherwise, carry on by pressing no. If you don't like to lose your progress in the game, then you must create backup in the cloud storage. Only hit this specific arrow in order to go to the desktop. Just before continuing, check out two icons it has made here, BlueStacks as well as BlueStacks Multi-Instance. The first icon is actually to launch BlueStacks app. It's the time to install State of Survival on computer in order that we can play this thrilling game on a large screen. Let's go to Google Play and then click on Install. One final step that we also have to complete, which is to complete the account setup. Therefore we have to opt for the payment method that we are going to use if we're gonna purchase stuff on Google Play. If you're not interested to create payment method in your Google Play account, then hit on Skip option. The installation of the State of Survival starts off. It downloads the game. Well, downloading of the game depends upon the internet speed. To keep the video short for you, I will cut this part and will return after this step. Therefore, it has been already finished downloading, and since you can view, it's now created one more icon on the computer's desktop, State of Survival, which will allow us to access the game without needing to open the BlueStacks. Starting State of Survival on PC is now very easy. Only double-click this icon and there you go. You have discovered the way to start State of Survival, but I will show you a different way to begin State of Survival through BlueStacks. We are going to click on this BlueStacks icon to start the game. Here's an option to change the keyboard configuration. Let's leave it at the default. We just close it. If you need to enjoy State of Survival in big screen mode, then we are going to suggest two basic solutions. This is to maximize the emulator. You will get full screen with a border. This particular option is only ideal for people who would like to get the big screen, however, not 100% full screen. If we prefer 100% full screen, we will just have to press F11 to enter the full screen mode, and touch F11 just as before if you want to exit the full screen. Like that, we will be able to play in full screen without having anything from Windows bothering us. If you have a powerful laptop, then it will better assist gaming within an emulator. You can also even alter the language of the game. For this purpose, you are expected to simply click Preferences. This drop-down menu will show different languages of that. You may choose any specific language. And here you go. So this is certainly the way we have installed State of Survival in personal computer. Do not forget to like this video and leave a comment if any. We'll be pleased to answer back. Thanks to you for paying attention to the video, and we'll be back in the next videos. Bye.